Please, my lord. Yes, Lordship, item number 17, Lordship. 17, 17.
Yes.
Lordship, I have some difficulty today, so kindly grant me 3 weeks' time. I've taken the consent of the appellant's counsel, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Angami. Lanet government advocate. Appeal, criminal appeal. Okay, so PP, yeah.
Yeah, Lordship.
With the consent of the Lanet Council for the appellant. Praise for listing this matter after
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention here item number 15 and 16. Lordship, here we are supposed to file the amended petition by giving the valuation, and we are ready. However,
When do you want? You are for
I'm for the appellant, Lordship.
appellant.
Yes.
So your prayer is,
We need some more time.
okay, for?
Lordship, on the
to
last
fi-
petition,
to file the amended petition
the court instructed them to file amended plea.
Okay,
by giving a valuation.
Miss
Nothing.
Lanet Council for the appellant. How much time you said?
3 weeks, Lordship.
Pray for. And is granted 3 weeks more time to file amended
Amended application.
application. So, Mr.
Civil information.
Lanet Council for the respondent is also present.
Lordship, not application, appeal.
Hmm?
Amended appeal,
Amended
appeal, not
Appeal.
application.
appeal, sorry. Okay. 3 weeks. Okay. This is after 3 weeks. Huh?
My please, your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. Here I'm for the respondent. I may-
Item?
9.
Okay.
I may be given 2 weeks time to file my affidavit in opposition.
You are for respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
You are for.
The petitioner, Lordship.
Okay. Otherwise, LCR is also awaited.
Yes.
Both the Lanet Council for the parties are present. LCR still awaited. List is matter after
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Vice Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 2.
Yes,
The matter has been amicably settled. However, we need some more time, so let the matter come up on 19 August.
she's praying for 19
August.
19 August.
Then 16. Your Lordship.
19 August. Your Lordship, everything is ready now. I have instruction to please before the report that they are entering into an agreement, compromise agreement. Both the parties, and everything is ready. So 19 August,
Yes.
you are
Okay.
holiday. 16.
16. Okay. Fourth, the land council for the parties are present and submits that the matter is ready for settlement and hence pray for listing this matter on 20 August. So the prayer is allowed, list this matter on 20 August. Okay. Much obliged.
Yes, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number three,
Item
number three.
3. Yes,
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mrs. Gauhati. May I please be granted 3 weeks to file IA
IA for what?
for new implement
Okay, Miss
signal.
appearing on behalf of Supremati Walling, Land Council for the petitioner, prays for further 3 weeks' time to file the implement petition. IA for implement of the implement of new,
New responding.
okay, new incumbent as a respondent party. Okay. Ms. V. Sukri, Land Council for the respondent, so she present. So you have for respondent number?
For all the respondents, you know.
Okay, then all the
Some
respondent,
of the respondents have retired. Your
Okay.
Lordship, sir.
the prayer result, list is matter after 3 weeks. Okay,
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number three,
item
no, item number 10, sir.
10. Okay,
I pray 3 weeks be granted to file IA for new implement.
here also,
Yes.
here
Yes.
also you are,
Yes, Lordship, respondent number 2 and 3 have already retired. They have retired, so,
so you are,
yes.
okay, implement for
Respondent
new
number two,
incumbent.
Yes.
Respondent in place of respondent number 2 and 3.
Yes.
Okay, same, similar.
Much obliged.
New,
Much obliged.
okay, the new incumbent, okay.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention hearing item 14. On behalf, hearing item 14. On behalf of.
14 and
14. Hearing
14.
item 14, yes. Yes,
Okay.
Lordship. On behalf of Insolo, the council for respondent 2 and 3. Let the matter legally come up after 2 weeks.
Lordship, I'm for appellant.
Mr.
Ginoksham,
appearing on behalf of Mr.
Insolo.
Land Council for the respondent number 2 and 3. Praise for adjournment to be listed after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. The prayer not objected. Stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Please this matter after 2 weeks. Okay,
Lordship.
May I please, the Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 19, Lordship.
okay,
Lordship, if it can come after 3 weeks, Lordship.
okay. You are for the applicant,
I'm for the appellant, Lordship.
Mr. Devnath. Mr. Devnath, Land Council for the appellant with the consent of the other side. Praise for adjournment and to be listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, 3 weeks, Lordship.
After 3 weeks, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Okay,
My pleasure, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item 18.
18.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay,
I'm for
make
the
it
respondent number 1.
Hmm,
If this matter can come up after 3 weeks, Lord.
3 weeks.
Yes, Lord.
So have you informed the
Yes, Lord.
appellant? Mr.
Chupananda.
Land Council for the respondent number 1 with the consent of the Land Council for the appellant. Prays for listing this matter after 3 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 21, 22, and 23.
Oh, 21.
21, 22, and 23, Lordship.
So, yeah, you have no objection.
No, Lordship, Lordship, kindly list this matter up on 5th of August.
Hmm?
5th of August, Lordship, if this matter can come. It's an unknown.
On the joint prayer made by the Land Council for the parties. List this matter on 5th August.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. List this matter on 5th August accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, there's an interim also. On item 21 and
The
22.
interim order pass earlier shall continue till then. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, your lordship,
Yes,
I beg to mention, hearing item number 20.
item,
Hearing item number 20. Lordship, if this matter can be listed after 2 weeks, since messenger is in disposed.
when?
After 2 weeks,
After two, you are for?
I'm for respondent number 1 and 2.
Have you informed the appellant,
Yes, lordship,
Miss
Ayala and Chin.
Land Council for the respondent number 1 with the consent of the Land Council for the appellant. Praise for listing this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay,
I believe your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 13, 1-3.
what's the big?
Your lordship, here in this matter, the honorable court has directed the lower court to take further additional evidence. So another additional evidence is expected sometime first week of September. So unless it is completed, we cannot proceed. So this matter may be listed after sometime in the second week of September.
Second week of September.
I'm for the state responder.
Okay, so who is for the petitioner, appellant? Have you informed?
Yeah, it was informed from Gauhati, it was informed to me.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Han, an additional advocate general, appearing on behalf of the state respondent with the consent of the Land Council for the applicant. Praise for listing this matter
Sometime in the second week of September.
during the second week of September.
September.
Okay, the prayer is allowed. List this matter accordingly. Okay.
For motion, item number 1.
May I please, your lordship?
Yeah.
Lordship, this contempt petition is filed for non-compliance of this honorable court order dated 21/11/2022, lordship, directing the respondents to release the compensation amount to the petitioners, lordship. Lordship, I have annexed the order as annexure A, that is page 141, lordship.
Will you speak of this? Just minutes, the operation portion of the
What's that? Page
orders.
26, page 354,
3,
54, 354. 26.
how many petitioners?
Lordship, in fact, there
Okay.
was
Okay, very nice. Within reasonable period, not beyond 6 months. Okay. So this was on
21/11, lordship,
hmm,
2023.
okay. Miss
Mika, lordship.
Land Council for the petitioners. Start. The petitioners filed this application under section 11 and 12 of the Contempt of Court Act 1971, read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India. And the rules of this, rules of the Gauhati High Court for initiation of contempt proceeding for non-compliance of the or non-compliance and willful and deliberate violation of the order dated 21/11/2023 in writ petition civil number 146. There are a lot of numbers.
146 to 186, Lordship.
Number is there, huh, in the coast, I think. Passed by this court. In the petition, this also, huh? This also. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. The petitioners take steps upon the respondents by a registered post with AD within
3 days, Lordship.
3 days. Is it possible?
Lordship.
Okay, 3 days from today. Stop this matter after 4 weeks. How many respondents are there?
Lordship, there is 6, Lordship.
Okay.
Much obligation.
For admission, item number 4.
Bless your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm reading respondent number 1 here. Yes, from the petition. I pray that we be allowed 3 weeks time to obtain necessary instruction as to the process undertaken by the state for regularization of the petitioner, your lordship.
Line counsel for the Mr. N. Longkumar, line counsel for the petitioner is present. Start. Mr. Moyington. Line Senior Government Advocate. Appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, praise for, and is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit.
Yes.
The return circular, the office note dated 16/1/24 reflect that the service upon the respondent number 2 is still awaited. Respondent number 2, I think this was in the,
Respondent number 2, your lordship, you have 2 respondents.
yes, 1 is still awaited. Probably you may.
1
have
is Director Higher Education.
1 is the director, 2 is the principal of the college.
Yes,
That's
so
correct.
director, I think it's been, you have taken a step earlier. And it's been, since then, it's been more than 5 months.
In that case, I'm maybe they can allow to take
Probably
fresh
you may
steps
have to take fresh steps. No?
by way of a justice.
Then in the last second, in view of the office note dated 16/1/2024, the petitioner prays for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 1.
Respondent number 2, madam.
Oh, sorry, respondent number 2. The prayer is allowed.
And you're allowed to take steps by way of justice servicing.
Okay. Praise for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 2 by way of justice service. The prayer is allowed. Dusty, within
Within a week's time.
within a week. And within Dusty be taken within a week. And file affidavit to that effect. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
For admission, item number 5.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I filed my affidavit regarding the justice service upon respondent on the 3rd of July.
Okay. Very good.
Yes, Lordship,
On,
3rd of July.
3rd of July. Okay,
Notice has been completed, so if the matter may be fixed for hearing after 1 week.
Miss
Rovimena,
Land Council for the petitioner. Submits that she has after justice services filed affidavit to that effect on 3rd July. So, in view of the above, the service of notice is complete. No one appears on behalf of. No one appears on behalf of the respondent, sole respondent. Sole
so
respondent.
respond, yes.
So, list this matter. After, list this matter,
1 week, Lordship.
okay. List this matter for admission hearing after a week, okay.
Lordship, there is an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then, okay.
For orders, item number 6.
Yes.
May I please the Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, this honorable court provide order dated 16/4/2024, Lordship. Directed the appellant to take first step upon respondent number 2 and 3, that is the driver and the owner.
Hmm.
And the steps have already been taken, and as per office note dated 5/7/2024, the notice has already been served. And it is reflected in your Lordship's file as flag F. Lordship.
How many respondents?
Total 3 respondents.
This was in respect of respondent number
Service has been taken, fresh service upon respondent number 2 and 3, Lordship.
2 and 3,
Lordship.
and one is appearing.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is this 2 and 3?
The driver and the owner.
Driver and
Owner.
the owner, and one is
One is the claimant.
claimant. Okay. So now this is ready for,
Lordship.
are you filing objection? No. Just a minute. Make it big. You're challenging?
Lordship, I'm challenging the impugn award, Lordship.
Ever,
Lordship.
quantum,
Lordship, there are some legal deformities also, Lordship.
Hmm?
Some legal deformities are also there, Lordship.
okay. What is the total award amount?
Lordship, total awarded amount was 11,87,758, Lordship.
Okay. So is there any stay
Lordship,
on the, for the operation of the
Lordship, yes,
impugned word. Any stay?
Lordship, till now it is not stayed, but then delay has been condoned, Lordship.
So delay has been condoned.
Delay has been condoned, Lordship.
Delay in filing appeal.
Lordship.
So my question, query is whether there is a stay.
No, not yet stayed, Lordship. Your
No
Lordship-
stay. You are not praying also.
No, no, I have prayed, Lordship. But this honorable court was of the view that the service be completed.
Yes.
Yes, so as
You
it-
have filed separate application for stay.
yes, yes, yes. It is IA 153 of the hearing.
One 53.
Lordship.
Yeah, there is a stay also only. Stay granted, subject to deposit of 50%. Have you deposited?
Lordship,
50%?
it is already deposited, Lordship.
Deposited.
Lordship.
Okay. Okay, then in this case, then the matter is ready for hearing.
Lordship.
This appeal.
Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Devnath, Lana Council. Devnath, no? Lana
No.
Council for the appellant is present. Miss Lana Council for respondent number one is also present. Start. This was received.
Lordship.
So this means, that means this is to be treated as the step, huh? Notice complete.
Notice complete, Lordship.
Okay.
Because they have already received the.
The office note dated 5/7/24 reflect that the service of notice upon respondent number 2 and 3 as shown as item delivered. So, in view of the above, the service upon the respondent number 2 and 3 is treated to have been completed. So, no one appears on the, no one appears on behalf of the respondent number 2 and 3. So, leaves this matter. The same. So you are not filing objection. Leaves this matter for hearing after 3 weeks. Okay.
For orders, item numbers 7 and 8.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, I'm for civil revision 14 of 2023.
Okay.
Your lordship, one clarification I want to make before your honorable court. Your lordship, item number 77.
civil revision 12 of 2023 and with civil revision 14 2023. Your
Hmm.
Lordship, these two are separate civil, these two are totally separate.
Separate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why it has been clubbed together then?
Lordship, it is my prayer that these two may
The
be.
parties are also different.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, but the advocate is saying.
Yes, for the petitioner.
So who appears in 12? You are appearing on 12 also.
Oh, I'm for 14, civil revision 14.
14 for respondent
Yes, for respondents, we are 26 in numbers, Your Lordship.
in 14.
Yes, Your Lordship. 27. 27.
Okay, who appears for the civil division petitioner in 7?
Mr. Illegal.
Okay. Your name is not there?
It's their Lordship.
No, it's there. Miss, your miss,
Lalongkana.
and counsel for the petitioner is present. The office note dated 25/7/2024 reflect that the LCR is still awaited. In view of the above, list is matter. After 3 weeks, start the registry shall be issue issue reminder for LCR. Okay. This is separate, not to be clubbed together, huh?
Yes, Lordship.
And then item. No, that is in 14, huh? That was 14. Then this is 12. That was in item 8, huh? So this is in 7. In item 7,
Yes, Lordship.
you have to take step.
Yeah,
You have
yes,
not
Lordship.
taken step.
We have already taken step for substitute mode through paper publication. But still that non appears.
I think there is no order. And probably this was clubbed together. Okay. For us, yeah. Yeah. This is similar in nature. The other says similar in nature. This 12 and 14. It was on the submission of land council for the parties only. Petitioner. No, you were directed to take steps upon the respondent by a dusty service. Have you taken steps?
I apologize, Lordship, but I'm not aware of that.
No, not yet taken. Okay. Your miss? Your
Lalong Kumar.
land counsel for the petitioner. The hard miss, so land counsel for the petitioner. Staff. So you are not in 12,
Not in 12, Your Lordship,
okay.
I mean 14.
Who prays for father 2 weeks' time to take steps upon the sole respondent by way of dusty service stuff. The prayer is allowed. Least this matter after 3 weeks. Okay, you take on face it.
Okay.
For orders, item number 11.
Your Lordship, we have taken steps to register AD upon responding 1, 2, and 3.
Hmm?
We have taken steps.
Steps
Yes,
taken.
yes.
Not miss,
I pray the matter be listed after 1 week.
okay, you are miss,
Sick note.
and counsel for the petitioner. You start. The office note dated 2/7/24 reflect that the return service upon the respondent number 1 to 3 is still awaited. In view of the above, this is matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Much obligation.
For hearing, item number 12.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Your Lord, this appeal has been preferred against an order passed by the learned court below in a suit where the defendants filed an application under Order 7 Rule 11 seeking rejection of claim. And that replication was allowed and consequently the suit was dismissed. Suit filed by the appellant was dismissed. That is how the matter has come before this honorable court. Now, my lord, before I take your lordships to the,
this was before the division bench.
no, it was.
Earlier it was before the.
Initially, it was before the division bench.
But then it appears that the single bench justice, the earlier also heard extensively.
Yes, Your
But that
Lordship.
was released from Parthad.
Okay,
That was
What
released
did it-
from Parthad.
Your Lordship, I am here for respondent number 1 to 12.
That is, I was just about to point out to your lordship.
yes,
What I find from the records, my lord, there are certain respondents on which, my lord, service have not been completed. In fact, my lord, notices were also not issued.
Hmm.
In fact, the first order that this honorable court had passed,
Hmm.
there was some ambiguity in the understanding of the instructing advocate, my lord, in the sense that the remaining respondents, I mean, the respondents other than the respondents whom my learned friend is
1 to 12.
representing, those have not been served. There are 6 respondents, 6 pro forma respondents in the case.
Mhm.
Then on these respondents, my lord, the notices have not gone. And consequently, service is also not complete. So
Okay.
that is one technical aspect of the matter. As my learned friend has just submitted that he is for 1
1
to
to
12. There are 6 other respondents on which it is incomplete.
Okay,
But otherwise also, my lord, since as your lordship has pointed out, matter was taken up initially before the division bench.
division
But
bench.
for the change in this, in the evaluation of the suit
Hmm.
and the appellate jurisdiction, resultant change in the appellate jurisdiction, the matter now rests before the single bench.
Mhm.
But I personally feel, my lord, since the question of title is involved here in the matter, the presence of these pro forma respondents should be necessary. They may not be the necessary party, but they are proper party because the adjacent plot of land
which, my lord, there is also another litigation, my lord. In that case, the pro forma respondents are the plaintiffs.
Okay,
Pro forma respondents are the plaintiffs. Now, there are two plots of land adjoining to each other. I, as an appellant, or I, as a plaintiff, claim that the particular plot of land is belonging to me. The pro forma respondents in the adjoint plot of land, they claim that the land belongs to them. And the respondents who are in the parties who are respondents in this appeal, my lord, they claim that both the plots of land are actually their lands.
okay, and so connected.
It's a contiguous land and they are the owners. That is the claim of the parties, my lord, as I have understood, subject to correction. Therefore, my lord, my humble and respectful submission before I proceed on the hearing of the appeal, my lord, if your lordship also feels that for the purpose of proper adjudication of the matter, the presence of the parties are necessary. In that case, my lord, an opportunity may be granted to the appellant to take steps. Because the first order was that only on the respondents. The first order was silent as regards the pro forma respondent. And consequently, my lord, no steps were also issued to them.
Thirteen to 20, your lordship.
Yes,
13 to 20 are the
so
parties.
that is, no steps were taken to them.
Yes, because the first order said only about the respondents. The first order did not say anything about the pro forma respondents, and consequently, my lord, notices were not issued to them. That was a misunderstanding on the part of the counsel for the appellant, my lord. But the brief has also changed hands, multiple hands. It has been from time to time, it has been
Yes.
dealt with by various sets of lawyers, my lord. So now somewhere some mistake has crept in, my lord, and therefore the matter rests at that stage. So if your lordship otherwise feels or agrees with my submission, in that case, my lord, I think a notice should go.
So let the notice go then. Okay,
My lord, I'm senior counsel S. Doctor.
yes.
I'm instructed by Mr.
As Mr. S. Doctor, the senior counsel appearing. You're appearing for the first time here.
For the first time, my lord.
Okay, appearing.
But as I said, my lord, it has changed hands.
Appellant, yes. Assisted by Mr. Vidyanath. Vidyanath. Counsel for the appellant. I've also heard Mr. PB Paul. Counsel for the respondent. Number 1 to 12.
Well,
Stop. Which is submitted that the no notice was served upon the pro forma respondents. 13 to, that is
13 to 20.
13 to 20 till date. However, for proper adjudication of the case, their
Their presence is, my lord,
their presence, the presence of the respondent number 3 to
13 to 20.
13 to 20 is that necessary. Stop. In view of the above, the petitioner,
Appellant.
appellants shall take steps upon the respondent number 3 to
13 to 20.
13 to 20 within a week from today. Stop. Take a step upon the respondent number 13 to 20 by a registered post with ID within a week from today. And probably it appears that there is no proper address of this respondent number 13, 14.
They are all residents of Dimapur itself.
Then you have to find out the address by yourself.
Your lordship may also permit us to take service by Dosti and will submit an affidavit of service.
Okay. Dusty is also allowed then,
Yes.
as well as the
raised-
post.
raised
Okay,
post.
Dusty is also allowed. Dusty service is also allowed. However, the petitioner shall file affidavit after closing the service upon the respondent number 13 to 20 by justice service
Within a period of 1 week thereafter.
well, within a period of 2 weeks.
Within a period of 2
2
weeks.
weeks. Okay. List this matter after 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
In order, it
Hmm?
it may come in order,
Yes, it may come in the stage of order.
page of order.
Okay. So, 4
Lordship,
weeks or 3 weeks?
3 weeks. In that, in that case, your lordship can fix it on 20th of,
Oh, you want a fixed date?
my lord, I am coming from outside, that's why.
Okay. Well, which date?
20th of August.
Yes,
Pray
your
for
lordship, I am
by
also
the
having one
council
matter
for the
fixed on
party.
that date.
List this matter on 28 August.
20.
Okay.
20.
20 August. Okay.
Obliged.
Much obliged.